Hey guys, how's it going? It's Richard Butler, and today I want to do this quick video about cbmoneyvine. Now, if you don't know me, I like to review products that I have got access to or that I have bought, and I will only review products that are good, or at least the ones that you see on video will only be on video because I've actually used them and I actually feel that it is a good investment. So, what are we talking about today? We're talking about Clickbank Moneyvine. Now, Clickbank is becoming more and more popular because people are moving away from JVZoo and from other platforms as they get more difficult to work with. And I mean difficult because, for example, with JVZoo now, you can get paid via PayPal, I think. I don't really promote that much on it. But the problem is that if you really want to get paid, you have to go to JVZoo Pay or JV Pay or something like that. I don't know, something Pay. And then that has to be transferred to a Pioneer account. From the Pioneer account, it can go onto your Pioneer debit card, but then they charge commissions if you don't use that card. So it's very complicated. Clickbank, on the other hand, pays you directly every week once you reach a minimum threshold. I think it's $50, and it pays directly into your bank account. So that is a real plus. So the thing with Clickbank is, or one of the advantages with Clickbank is, you don't have to apply for affiliate approval. So all you need to do is to put your Clickbank ID. For example, I have one here, Profit in '06. That's how long I've been a member of Clickbank. And you put that into the actual URL that the affiliate page gives you. Now, that's all great, but the problem is, how do you do that for so many products? Well, it's kind of difficult because you have to go, you have to search the marketplace, you have to find a product, you have to go to the affiliate page, then you have to get the affiliate ID, your affiliate ID, put it into the actual link, and it's a hell of a lot of work. So what does CB Moneyvine do? It allows you to brand over 4,000, yes, you heard correctly, 4,000 different products with your ID. You then can do one of two things. The thing that the software here tells you to do is to share your link, and I have a link down here. To share your link, invite people to have their own free page, and they get a page like this, and then when they go to buy a product from here, it has your affiliate ID on it. So let's go to parenting and families there. And if I just hover over parenting and families, down at the very bottom of this screen on the left hand side, you should see it says open gold digger, I think it is, blah blah blah, hop.clickbank.net. All of these links are already branded with the person I bought this from. So what you do is you share your page, people go in, they can then buy from Clickbank using a much easier marketplace. And then if they want to activate their account so that they actually start to monetize these links themselves, they paste their receipt in here. They click submit now. That is manually verified. And then for 30 days, they will have this monetized. That means that they can give away a page like this, and people, when they click, will be able to buy through the person's link, and it'll be branded with the person who actually just upgraded. Okay, sounds a little bit confusing, but we'll go through it. There's a very, very good video here that you can actually watch. That's one way to do it. The second way to do it is to actually buy outright to buy an account, and I'll give you the two links in the description for you to do that. So here's another thing that you could do in order to promote this, to promote affiliate links. For example, I want something on parenting and family, and I want to promote that on Facebook. Well, I would create my own account under myself, and then this would easily allow me to select any of these resources, and they would all be branded with my Clickbank link. I'm not buying this stuff myself. I am promoting it, but rather than having to go to Clickbank to search the marketplace and then brand my links, all of this is done for me. So if I go to promote one of these, let's say Save My Marriage, that's a great topic, isn't it? When the page loads and the person goes to purchase this particular product, I just find the purchase button. There it was. They should have a couple of purchase buttons here. Okay, I go to add to cart. So when I go in, I'll just put in fake details here, rich@rich.com. Select gender, male, proceed to checkout. I'm going to go down to purchase here. It should say affiliate equals the gold injure there, or gold finger, or whatever it's called. So you see what I'm saying here? That you could actually sign up under yourself, and then you have all of these links branded really easily. So when you want to promote something, you say, well, I want to promote something as seen on TV. I can just copy that, and you don't have to worry about trying to actually get your affiliate link and the URL that you need, etc. So this is really, really useful and really, really easy. So I would recommend that you either go for a free account and buy something in Clickbank, no matter what it is, and you'll submit your URL here, or use the other link that's actually in the description, and then you actually have it activated and monetized without having to purchase something every month. Um, Let me know if you have any questions, because it's an interesting system. It's quite complex, but it's quite easy. So just if you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll actually answer them below in the comment section. So I think this is worthwhile getting, because I think if you want to start to promote lots of products on ClickBank, it's an easy way to do it. All right, guys. If you like this video, leave a comment. Subscribe to my channel so that you're always updated on the best reviews, and also give it an old like, and I think there's also a button that you can press to be notified. All right, guys, talk to you very soon. Bye.